If you're a gearhead who loves custom cars, you've likely heard of the legendary Chip Foose. For decades, he has stood out as one of the top custom car builders in the industry. With a successful vehicle customization business and the popular reality TV show Overhaulin, where he revives old beat-up classics, Foose's talent is undeniable. He learned the ropes from his father Sam, a hot rod builder, and has since created some of the most stunning custom cars, including 9 that won America's Most Beautiful Roadster title. Now, let's explore 7 of the rarest cars inside Chip Foose's garage. Number 7. The 1971 D Thomaso Pantera. The 1971 D Thomaso Pantera was a rare gem in Chip Foose's collection, uniquely blending Italian design with American muscle. This specific Pantera, which Foose showcased at the 2015 SEMA show, highlighted his skill in enhancing cars while keeping their original appeal intact. Known for his impressive work in the automotive world, Foose ensured that his version of the Pantera stayed true to its roots, but added performance and aesthetic improvements to make it truly stand out. Originally crafted by the Italian sports car manufacturer Di Tommaso, the Pantera had a mid-engine layout and a steel monocoque chassis, a setup that was considered advanced for its era. Powering the car was a Ford 351 cubic inch Cleveland V8 engine, delivering impressive performance. This engine design allowed the Pantera to appeal to car enthusiasts on both sides of the Atlantic, blending European craftsmanship with American power. The car's design combined speed, agility, and style, making it a sought-after model among collectors and automotive aficionados. Foose, known for his keen eye and innovative designs, approached the Pantera project with care and dedication. While he preserved much of the car's original structure, he made several strategic modifications that improved its performance and style. He undertook a full rebuild of the engine, enhancing its power and reliability, thus giving the car a more robust performance profile. Foose also paid special attention to the ZF transaxle, a vital part of the car's mechanics. He not only rebuilt it, but also detailed it meticulously, ensuring smooth operation and better performance. Among the most noticeable changes were the custom-designed wheels, which Foose added to elevate the car's appearance and handling. The sleek new wheels gave the Pantera a distinct look that matched Foose's refined aesthetic. Inside, he added a unique 2-spoke steering wheel, which added flair to the interior while retaining the car's classic vibe. Additionally, Foose installed Ford Performance engine valve covers, adding a final touch that not only boosted the engine's look, but also supported its enhanced performance. Number 6. 1935 Cadillac Inspired Mam X. The 1935 Cadillac Inspired Mam X was an impressive example of Chip Foose's skill in blending classic car design with modern engineering. This unique vehicle started as a 1939 Cadillac 4-door 60 Special, a model that had its roots in a 1935 concept created by GM designer Art Ross. Foose transformed this original car into a 2-door coupe, showing off his talent for craftsmanship and detail. In his customization of Mam X, Foose lowered and shortened the Cadillac, creating a refined and stylish look. The car's body was reimagined with great care, including stretched fenders and a custom-built removable hardtop. Foose's design kept the classic lines of the original 1939 Cadillac, while adding modern touches that made the car even more visually striking. Every aspect of the Mam X was crafted with precision, combining a timeless aesthetic with a fresh, enhanced appearance. Powering the Mam X was a strong Corvette Gen V LT1 engine, giving the car impressive speed and power. This engine was paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission from a Cadillac Escalade, delivering smooth and responsive handling on the road. Additionally, the vehicle featured front and rear suspension components from a C6 Corvette, which further improved its performance and made it even more enjoyable to drive. Inside, Mam X was just as remarkable as its exterior. Foose designed a custom dashboard that blended elements from both LaSalle and Cadillac, creating a luxurious cabin that was both unique and elegant. Attention to detail was evident in every corner, from the custom upholstery to the specially designed steering wheel. The Mam X received significant attention when it was introduced at the 2016 SEMA show, where it was met with great enthusiasm. This car marked a new milestone in Foose's 3-decade-long career, showcasing his talent for pushing the limits of automotive design while honoring the spirit of classic models. Mam X was more than just a car. It was a true piece of art that represented the creativity and innovation that defined Chip Foose's approach to design. Number 5. 1967 Dodge Charger. The 1967 Dodge Charger, a well-loved American muscle car, had a special place in Chip Foose's garage. Known for its strong performance and iconic look, this Charger was an ideal choice for Foose's TV show Overhaulin. This particular car belonged to a man who had inherited it from his father. Although he valued the car, he didn't have the resources to restore it himself. Foose and his team accepted the challenge, working on the Charger live at the 2005 SEMA show, where fans eagerly watched the transformation. Foose's restoration work on the 1967 Dodge Charger was remarkable. He started by redesigning the car's grille, creating a bold, aggressive look while carefully honoring the car's classic design. The newly crafted grille, combined with a sleek black and silver paint job, made the Charger visually striking and captured the attention of the crowd at the show. One of the most important upgrades was the installation of a crate 426 cubic inch Hemi engine, which gave the Charger the power it deserved. Foose paired this high-performance engine with a functional shaker hood, enhancing its capabilities. This engine was connected to an automatic transmission with a gear vendor's overdrive unit, which helped deliver smooth and efficient power on the road. Foose also worked on the Charger's wheels and suspension, making sure the car looked as good as it performed. He installed custom-designed Foose wheels with shiny chrome rims, giving the car a polished and stylish appearance. The suspension system was upgraded with new components to improve the car's handling and ride quality, making it a more enjoyable experience to drive. Foose added Cobra seats for extra comfort and aftermarket gauges for modern functionality. He maintained a stock appearance throughout the interior, making it feel true to its original style. By blending these modern touches with classic elements, Foose was able to preserve the Charger's unique charm, which celebrated both its history and renowned performance. Number 4. 1957 Chevy Convertible. The 1957 Chevy Convertible, one of Chip Foose's notable recent projects, was a prime example of his skill in blending classic design with modern performance. This beautifully restored car, which Foose unveiled at the 2018 SEMA show, was transformed into an intricate Restomod that maintained its legendary shape while being enhanced with contemporary upgrades. Foose's work on the vehicle showed his dedication to bringing a timeless model to life with fresh details while keeping the spirit of the original design. One of the most striking features of this 1957 Chevy was its unique paint job. Foose chose a bold tropical turquoise pearl color, carefully created by mixing several shades of turquoise. This blend produced a vibrant, eye-catching finish that drew attention to the car's classic lines and gave it a modern touch. The custom color added depth to the vehicle's appearance, bridging past and present styling in a way that made the car stand out. Under the hood, the Chevy Convertible held a powerful LS3 V8 engine, well known for its strong performance and reliability. This upgrade provided the car with a significant boost in power. The engine was paired with a 4L80E transmission, which helped deliver power smoothly and efficiently, creating an enjoyable driving experience. The pairing of the LS3 engine and 4L80E transmission ensured that the vehicle ran as impressively as it looked, combining modern engineering with classic appeal. Foose's attention extended to the car's chassis and suspension. He chose a Roadster shop chassis, which reinforced the car's structure and improved its handling. The suspension system received modern upgrades as well, giving the vehicle a smooth yet responsive ride. These enhancements meant the Chevy handled well on both city streets and highways, adding to its overall performance and driving comfort. Inside, the 1957 Chevy Convertible featured a custom leather interior that blended comfort with style. The dashboard and other interior elements were carefully crafted to retain the car's classic look, but Foose also added modern amenities for convenience. This thoughtful combination of vintage design with contemporary functionality resulted in a luxurious, stylish cabin that complemented the vehicle's exterior, showcasing Foose's expertise and bringing timeless elegance into the modern age. Number 3. 1948 Cadillac Elder Rod. The 1948 Cadillac Elder Rod marked a key milestone in Chip Foose's career. showcasing his early design talent and long-lasting impact in the world of custom cars. This car was Foose's first major design when he was chief designer at Boyd Coddington's shop in the 1990s. It also carried significance as the last car completed by Boyd's shop before it shut down in 1998. Originally, the Elder Rod came in a maroon finish, though Foose had always imagined it in a bright blue. Years later, when Chris Andrews, the car's new owner, approached Foose to reimagine the car with his original vision, Foose gladly took on the project and transformed the Elder Rod into a unique custom piece that truly reflected his creative ideas. One of the most eye-catching updates Foose made was to the car's color. He selected Huntington Blue, slightly darkened with a black toner, which gave the Elder Rod a deep and rich tone. This change in color dramatically altered the car's overall look, making it more striking and memorable. Foose introduced other important modifications as well, such as a new Carson top that added a sleek, stylish element to the vehicle. For the front end, he replaced the grille with a custom insert combining details from mid-1950s Oldsmobile and 1956 Chevrolet models, giving the car a bold and aggressive look. Foose also reworked the bumpers, incorporating parts from a 1956 Chevy Nomad to create a distinctive appearance. He installed a new leather upholstery, enhancing the cabin's luxury and comfort, and redesigned the dashboard and other interior features to merge classic design elements with modern functionality. Mechanically, the Elder Rod kept its original 502 cubic inch big block Chevy engine, but Foose made updates to boost its performance. The car received a custom-built chassis, upgraded suspension components, and modern braking systems, ensuring that it not only looked impressive, but also performed smoothly. Number 2. 1932 Ford Model 18 Deluxe Roadster. The 1932 Ford Model 18 Deluxe Roadster from Chip Foose's collection showcased his love for vintage Fords and his exceptional design talent. Known as 0032, this car held a significant place in automotive history and had a unique story, as Foose customized it twice. Originally, Foose designed this car while he served as president at Hot Rods by Boyd, calling it the Boydster II. It was initially painted a bright yellow and featured full fenders. This first version of the car won the title of America's Most Beautiful Roadster in 1996, thanks to its sleek lines and powerful stance. The car's design contributed to the iconic Boyd look, a style that soon became famous in the hot rod community. Over the years, the car returned to Foose, who had always imagined it in black. When collector Chuck Svatkos asked Foose to restyle the car, he seized the opportunity to make his vision a reality. Foose transformed the Roadster with a new black paint job, distressed leather interior, and custom wheels. This redesign once again captured the title of America's Most Beautiful Roadster in 2000, adding to the car's legacy as one of the most remarkable vehicles in the custom car world. The 1932 Ford Model 18 Deluxe Roadster included a range of impressive modifications. Its body, originally crafted by Marcel's Custom Metal, was sectioned by 2 inches, fitted with suicide doors, and given a stretched hood. Foose installed section King B headlights with PIAA lenses and custom LED taillights, adding a touch of modernity to the car's classic appearance. These changes emphasized the car's iconic style while adding subtle contemporary elements. Under the hood, the Roadster housed a high-performance engine that provided the power and reliability associated with Foose's creations. Larry Surgejeff had also modified the car's chassis to ensure it delivered a strong and stable performance on the road. Inside, Foose designed a custom dashboard and fitted the car with distressed leather seats, reminiscent of a well-worn baseball glove. And at number 1, the 2006 Ford GT. The 2006 Ford GT held a special place in Chip Foose's garage, valued not only for its performance and design, but also for the memories attached to it. This car was a heartfelt gift from Chip's wife for his 50th birthday, making it a particularly cherished part of his collection. Known for his precise attention to detail and creative modifications, Foose could not resist customizing this already impressive vehicle to suit his unique style. One of the first changes Foose made was to the car's rear end. He removed the rear bumper, a modification that gave the GT a sleeker, more aggressive look while also reducing weight. This alteration required cutting back and trimming the frame extensions, resulting in a cleaner, more streamlined appearance that showcased Foose's design approach. In addition to these modifications, Foose added distinct stripes to the body of the GT, outlined in bright orange. These stripes gave the car a bold and unique look, enhancing its eye-catching presence. The combination of the GT's original design and Foose's custom touches created a striking visual impact that made this particular GT stand out among others. Under the hood, the 2006 Ford GT featured a powerful engine, which Foose further enhanced by installing a MagnaFlow performance exhaust system. This upgrade improved the car's overall performance by increasing both horsepower and torque, while also delivering a deeper, more aggressive exhaust sound. Known for its high-quality construction, the MagnaFlow system effectively boosted engine efficiency, making it an ideal addition to this high-performance vehicle. Foose largely preserved the GT's interior to maintain the car's original design and functionality. However, its exterior and engine modifications gave the GT a distinctive blend of aesthetics and performance. In Chip Foose's incredible collection, these 7 rare cars each tell a unique story of design, innovation, and personal history. Which one stood out to you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible car content.